grateful, gang. Did you know that the Coach Empire is creeping up on $1,000 now? Y'all, I am lost. I did not know the 48 went from $8.95 to $9.50. So I look up the rest, and of course they all went up $55 as well. I am not lying. Go check for yourself. Hit the link so you can see it. So I just gotta ask you a question though. When did Coach get this expensive? Like, I thought this was affordable luxury. Y'all, make sure you smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, because by the end of this video, I'm telling you the exact bag that has not went up yet, but it's probably on its way. You better snatch it right now before you lose out, just like I did on the Empire, because y'all know I've been waiting around for it to go on sale, and it went up. Like, what? Okay, y'all, so y'all heard my rant correct. The Empire jumped from $8.95 to $9.50 for the largest one, which is the 48. The 34, the one that we're looking at right now, I do not remember what the price was, but it is $475. Well, this one in particular is $495 because this is the loved one. So I guess if they wear it out a little bit for you, they're going to charge you more. I don't know. Y'all, please excuse my tone. I'm annoyed. Am I late? Am I the only one that knew this or just found this out? Did you guys already know? I don't know. Now, the one that is the 40, that went from $6.95 to $7.95. I'm sorry, $6.95 to $7.50. I'm so sorry. They're going up like $55 a piece, right? Here's the thing. I had the opportunity last year to get an olive green one, a 34, the smallest one, for like a large percentage off, and I believe it was directly at Coach, and I let that slide, and how annoyed I am with myself alone, because it was $3 something. I feel like it was like $3.25, and as tight as I hold on to my coins, y'all, I still did not grab the bag because I was like, oh, it's gonna be there forever. Y'all, they raised that price back up, and then some of these bags are gone, like the warm browns. I haven't seen those in a while. I will definitely tag any bags that I can. If you still feel like you need these bags, you gotta have these bags, you gotta get these bags, then I will definitely tag them for you. However, make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I'm gonna show you the bag that has not went up. Like I said, the bag that is really, really popular is a really dope bag as well. So no worries, there is still hope, okay? But here's the thing. Every time I look at an Empire, I love, love, love it. And I'm not just saying that because this one is the loved one. I even like the loved bags, though. I had a hard time trying to figure out whether I wanted the burgundy or the olive green one. And then it started selling out to where I couldn't get all three of the same color. So I just kind of let things slide. And so one day I am going to jump on these bags, because the warm browns, like I said, they have just got away from me, unfortunately, and I do not like that for myself. I wanted that bag. I feel like there's hope though, because we still haven't got to the $1,000 mark. I hate to even think about it, because I don't want us to go there. How can we stop Coach from raising the price on us? Like, am I gonna have to jump over to like outlet bags only? I mean, to be honest with you, no, I can't say that that's all I bought, because I did just buy a Chelsea, but I definitely don't want the price to keep raising up. Now, this is the green one that I was talking about, the olive one that was like really, really cheap. I feel like it was $3.21 or $3.25, something like that, because these bags were, I forgot what they were. I do apologize. I wish I could remember. I just know that I missed out, and definitely missed out on this collection, which is the original collection that I wanted, the warm brown one. They had it in the 48, the 40, the 34, and I don't think they had it in that really small one. I'm not really for sure. The really small one is just like I'm not interested in at all. And then of course I was toggling between this one, the burgundy one, and the olive green one. Let me know in the comments which color you had your eyes on, or did you even get any of these? If you got them, let me know how it ends up wearing. Like, do they collapse? What happens with the bags? Are they like fully functional? Is it something that you would recommend on these Empire bags? I'm sure there's no issues with zippers or any wear and tear on it, because these bags are really, really great quality. But I just want to know what's your experience with the bag. Do you think it's still worth it going up $55 more? Please, I want to know how you feel. Let me know what you think about these bags and how I should go about this, because I still want one. I still want several, to be honest with you. If not anything, I do want the largest and the mid one up. So the 40, and this is the 40 right here. And I do want the one that's larger than this one, the 48. So let me know, do you still think it's worth it even though it went up $55 more? And what do you think about it going up another year, like next year it going up even higher? What do you think about that? Do you feel like it's a no? I will be moving forward. If you are going to be moving forward, who will you be moving forward to? Because I mean, the ladies need purses and we need a variety of them, right? But guys, I definitely appreciate you checking out this video so far. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me rant. Let me know how you feel and be honest about it. Just let me know, am I tripping off of $55? I mean, they do have some really, really good leather, and the other bags that are really, really expensive, over $2,000, to me are not worth the value of this bag. They're just worth the name. So that's why I still mess with Coach hard. Like, I still mess with Coach heavily, because I feel like the quality is unmatched from any brand. I do want to start getting into Kate Spade and see what that's like. I already have a familiarity, if that's even a word, with Michael Kors. Y'all know I would make up a word. But y'all, this is the bag that has not yet sold out. It has not yet went up in price, is what I should say. I mean, $495 for the Brooklyn 39 I'm getting the vibe that it's going to go up here soon. It's been at this price for quite some time. Hopefully we can keep it there. I don't know what's in the future. I don't know where we're going. I don't know where Coach is going. I just know that Coach, they got us, right? They lost us for a really long time. We wasn't really dealing with Coach like that. And then some things happened. They had a new designer, Stuart, whatever his name is, and he blew the bag up and made it really, really take off. I was paying attention. Everybody's paying attention. We're watching Coach every month, anticipating whatever they decide to do. Y'all, the Brooklyn was it for me, y'all. I have 4 of these. The largest ones, the most expensive ones. I might get the smaller one, the 28. I might get one 28, and I wouldn't mind getting at least one 34. But let's be honest, I mean, I've got all of them. I got a black crocodile one. I didn't get the patchwork suede one. I should have gotten that one. I'm not feeling the clay one at all. It's not a big deal to me at all. But guys, the Brooklyn is still at a pretty decent price. They're $495, $395, and then $295 for the smallest one. The 34 is the $395 one. There are some straw ones. Now, I did hear that the straw ones went up from $195 to $250. I can't get jiggy with that because I didn't like the straw ones anywhere. They're not lined. I don't remember. They're not memorable to me, so I'm just keeping real. I'll get my straw bags from TJ Maxx. Y'all know I'm there every week. I'm looking, I'm showing you. Make sure you check out my TJ Maxx videos on Sunday, because it be some straw videos or straw bags in the videos that are dope, that are under $50. So I'm not paying nothing for a straw bag. I'm sorry. I barely will pay $100 for some leather. But here we are, the bag that is still available at a pretty decent price. I'm loving it. I'm glad we still have this option. I hate that the Empire went up. Now I feel like I got to rush to grab one before it goes up even higher, because we never know what's going on, y'all. But listen, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the good finds that I run into. I appreciate you for watching this video. Any bags that I see that are still available, I will definitely make sure that I tag them on the screen as well. So check out the link, see the prices for yourself, lock them in your mind, because if they go up, don't say I didn't warn you. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.